Hi everyone, welcome back to our AutoCAD beginner series. In the previous lesson we explored trim, extend, offset and mirror. Today we will look at four more powerful modify commands: fillet, chamfer, array, move and copy. Let's get into it. First is fillet, which lets you round the corner where two lines meet. Let's type fillet. Fillet. Press enter, select the first line, then the second line. You will get an intersection between the two lines but not a round angle, the round corner. To do that, let's type again fillet, press enter. Before selecting the two lines, type R, press enter, select the radius 20, let's say, press enter. Now select the first line, then the second line. You see AutoCAD will round the corner for you. Now let's talk about chamfer. Chamfer creates a straight angled edge between two lines. Let's type chamfer, press enter, select type D, select the distances of the chamfer that you wanted, press 10, enter, 20, enter. Now select the first line, the second line. You'll get a neat angled edge. Let's talk about array command. Array is great for creating patterns. Let's type array, press enter, select the object, let's select this rectangle, press enter. It will ask you, do you want it? Let's have three types. Let's start with the rectangular type. You'll see it's for rows and columns, as you can see. Press enter. Let's try the second type, array. Press enter, select the object. Now select the path. Path, it's for following a specific curve, and select the path that you wanted. You see the rectangle now moves on the path that you selected. Press enter. Let's try the third type, array. Enter, select the object, the rectangle that you have. Now select the path that you wanted, like polar. Polar is for circular patterns. Select it, press enter. You see it moves on a circular path. Now let's talk about move and copy. To move an object, let's say you want to move this array that we did before to do not intersect the above array. We type M, enter. We select the object we want to move, press enter. We select a corner, we press on it, and we move it to where we want to move it. That's it. To copy an object, we press C, O, enter. Let's want to copy this circle, press on it, enter. We move it to where we want to copy it. That's it. Let's copy it several times to where we want to, and press enter. And that's for this lesson. You've learned how to round a corner with fillet, create angled edges with chamfer, duplicate designs with array, and reposition or copy objects. If you enjoyed this, like the video, subscribe, and check out earlier lessons in the series. In our next video, we'll dive into hatch, tags, dimensions, and layers to bring your drawing to life. See you then. Bye bye.